Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. I'm back. I have another package opening here. So this one here is actually a Christmas gift. This is from my mom. So she's been quite into her diamond paintings. She had tried ordering some from a company on AliExpress. I don't know who she ordered from. She was very disappointed in it. Her canvas came, it was crumpled, the diamonds were poor quality, and then she went and sat her inventory sheet down on her diamond painting, and it was just an absolute disaster, and she was so upset. So I thought I would surprise her, and I ordered a couple diamond paintings for her. These are a couple of the fat ladies. This is what she wanted. She was hoping to start a set and got really disappointed with her first one. So hopefully I ordered her some better ones and get her started on what she wants to do, and hopefully she enjoys it. So anyway, I ordered these from Dispaint. 230 by 30 rounds, and I believe they took 15 days to come, which really, like, with the Black Friday sale and Christmas, I'm totally cool with that. So anyway, they just came in one of these bubble mailers, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see what we have. Make sure I'm still in the frame here. Okay, I'm good. All right, so all right. Oh, I have to sneeze again. I must be allergic to my camera because that seems to happen. So anyway, okay, so we have in here two toolkits. They're the same. They come with a purple squishy. They've got a 3-placer on them, and some baggies and a plate of wax and the bent tweezers. Those are pretty standard. And they've got the nice white boats. I know my mom really likes these boats, so she'll be happy. Anyway, so we have here, looks like the canvases came kind of wrapped up in the drills, which is nice. So 2 sets of drills, and then we have 2 canvases here. They are just together on a foam roller, and got the elastics around them. I've had kind of mixed experience with these elastics. Sometimes they leave a crumple in the diamond paintings, and sometimes they're okay. I think it depends on how hard, how tight they're wound around there. These ones aren't bad. There's a little bit of a divot in there, you can see, but it's not too bad. So there's our elastics. All right, so we've got the 2 canvases, and they're not very tightly rolled, which is nice. First one there. And the second one. Oh, you know, look at that. There's another set of elastics on there. So they must have rolled the first one and then put the second one on top. So this one does seem to be a little bit tighter, and has left a few wrinkles, but looks like those will be workable. So put those to the side. Let's get this one unrolled. All right, here we go. So I have never ordered from Dispaint before, so this is the canvas I like. I'm trying to find companies that have this thicker canvas. I just like it better. So I'll be remembering this company for that. We've got the opaque cover on here. These are supposed to be 30 by 30s. I'm just gonna measure quick and make sure that they are true to size here. I need to get a different measuring tape. This one's too big. So let's try the pasting area here. 31 by 31. So that's good. They're 30 by 30. Let's check this one. It appears to be the exact same size, but it doesn't hurt to check. .5, so give or take. And I can't read that. 31. So they are just a little bit over the 30 mark, which is nice. So, all right, like I said, these are the 2 fat ladies. So the first one here is, let's see if I can get a picture of our thumbnail in there. Where am I? There it is. So it's a fat lady in a bathtub. So take a peek at the canvas here. So it's a single sheet, which is okay. Let's see if I can get it to come out without ripping. I don't want to. This is a birthday, or this is a Christmas present. So, well, that's cute. The drill or the glue looks absolutely perfect. There's a little bit of a ripple there from where the elastic was. Very staticky. Let's take a peek at that drill field. If I can get that up there for you. That looks really nice and clean. Oh, I keep forgetting these are circles. I do like to do squares. So they do have those little training wheels around them. If you, I don't know what else to call them. I know some people don't like that term, but the little guide circles. That's kind of part of the reason I don't like doing squares. I find these really hard to read, but my mom prefers the circles. So, you know, I'm hoping to try to get her to do some square ones, but these are for her for Christmas. So I got her what she likes. So those are very nice. That one looks beautiful. Take a peek at the symbols. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 30, 37 colors in there. Looks like some pretty standard symbols. Just lots of some letters, mostly letters, a couple like this one here. Those are good. Those are nice symbols. She'll like that. All right, so the second canvas that I got her is this one here. And we have here this lady putting on eyeliner. It's kind of cute. The colors in this one are a little bit more muted, but I think she'll still like it. It'll be a cute set for her bathroom. So my cats have found a zip tie that they are playing with, and they're driving me nuts. At least it's keeping them busy, but all right, let's take a peek here. Again, here the glue on this one is absolutely meticulous. This one was the one on top, so there's no wrinkles in it. It's a little darker than the other one, but you can still definitely see the picture in there. And again, our drill field is really nice and clear. Glad I got a chance to look at these before I give them to my mom. And again, this is a round one as well. And the symbols are very similar. I wonder if the symbols match up. This one looks like it has 30 colors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 33. So let's see if we have a color here that's the same. 310 is a B on both pictures. 3865 is a cross on both pictures. 3863 is different, so that's an N and this one's an X. So I'll have to remind my mom that she's got to work on these separately because the symbols aren't going to match up. So, and my mom would do something like that, try to do them both at the same time. So anyway, I'm really happy with those canvases. They came on that foam roller, nicely packaged. Let's see the drills here. So this is the lady in the bathtub. I'm not going to get too much into these because they are a gift, so I'll just take a peek at one here. I know my mom likes to do her own inventory and stuff, so again, Dispaint just kind of throws them in the bag like Home Fun does. I do prefer when they're packaged a little bit more neatly, but you know, their inventory is usually good. I've never had a problem with missing drills or anything. So so the lady in the bathtub here, yeah, we've got 37 colors, and we've got the picture. It doesn't look like the inventory has been checked, so I'll have to remind my mom to check that when she starts. Hopefully everything is complete. Again, if I do it all, kind of taking the fun out of it for her, so I don't want to do too much, but I did want to open them up and take a quick look. So anyway, there's that one. Oops, folding that the wrong way. Yeah, that's kind of my only complaint about these companies, is the way their drills are packaged is kind of a pain, because they take up a lot of space, and then I find that the packaging gets wrinkled, which can sometimes make it hard to get the diamonds out, but never had an issue with quality from the other companies, so hopefully this is the same way. This one here, we said, has 33 colors, and still the same thing. It's got the white strip with the black numbers on them. Inventory sheet is there. I think those are such cute pictures. I think she's gonna have fun. So anyway, guys, there we go. Overall, I'm pretty happy with these kits. I think they'll be a good gift for my mom. I'm gonna pick up some frames for her and just kind of wrap them up all in a big box so that she's got everything she needs to do her pictures. So anyway, guys, hope everybody's good, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.